is waste to energy really affordable in terms of, for the consumer, in terms of the cost of production when compared to conventional fuel? So diesel is referred to here. That's the first part of the question. So that, I think, is for you, Khaled. The second part of the question, I think, is for you, Yousif. What is the payback period for such a waste-to-energy project? So on the first one, about the competitive pricing and affordability of this fuel, how does it compete?
I think it has become, it is very comparable today and competitive. And for us, actually, we look at the total picture of waste. It's not just a problem of energy, it's also the problem of solving the waste problem. So you have to look at it, when it comes to waste to energy, you don't just look at energy. You look at what are the problems you are solving and the value that you are creating.
But I think the questioner is trying to put it from the perspective of the consumer. So from a policy point of view,
at least
yes.
Here in the region, it's very competitive with other sources of energy.
I mean, I suppose you put the electricity into the grid so it sort of gets
Yes.
Absorbed into
Yes.
the wider pricing structure.
Yes.
Okay, so it's competitive, but from a government point of view or a policy point of view, there are these other benefits like waste and jobs. Yes. Yousif, the second part of the question is the payback period for investment. So you have a concession, the Emirates Waste to Energy Company has a concession with Sharjah. That's 25 years, is it, or 30 years? Can you give us any sort of idea of the I mean, I know you can't reveal sort of commercially sensitive stuff, but the capital investment and then the payback return.
There is no secret about the financial elements of this type of projects. So we are talking. It's all about the risk involved in any investment. It's not about the technology itself or the type of the technology. So here we are looking at proven technology. We are looking at commercial structure. We are looking at non-recourse loan that we have in this project. So it's structured in a very good manner. And on top of this, you have a government offtake with a high credit rating. The credit rating of the Emirate of Sharjah is, I don't remember, but it's very high credit rating. So with this profile of risk, it's a utility investments where the returns are at the low side. So this is how we look at it. So in all our projects, we look at it in the same manner.